In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add reflections in Canva. So you can see the hands of this gentleman holding two smartphones. I don't know which phones they are, and it's holding them over a water pool. So if we want to add a reflection here, I'll come to apps and search for easy reflections. That's it, easy reflections. And here it is. I'll click on that. I'll click on create reflection, and it automatically identifies this as the image for which I want to create the reflection. So I'm going to click on add to design. So it's going to give me a reflection on the bottom. That's a reflection down. I'll click on add to design. So it's added that. I'll just delete this. So this is actually the reflection it gives me. I need to position this. I was supposed to fill this, to the screen and cut out the unnecessary portions, but I need to fill this somehow. So it's going to be around here. And then I can remove this. So you see it automatically blends in. This could be done better. I wish I'd chosen a better picture, but this gives you an idea. So anyone seeing this already recognizes that this is a reflection of this hand here. So you can put it in the water and you can align it the way you want. You can reposition it. Thus, like this, and then shift it this way. It looks a lot more realistic right now, except for this part showing there. So this is how you create reflections in Canva for free. If you got any value out of this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share a comment on the comment section, and make sure to subscribe. God bless you. Peace.